Our lesson for the day is going to be the circular pattern tool. We've recently done the mirror tool, the rectangular pattern tool, and now we're going to venture into the circular pattern tool. So we're going to create this item that we have in front of us on the screen today. Last time we took our diamond shapes and we created a rectangular pattern. This time we will create a circular pattern. All right, that's enough of me talking. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's go to new canvas. Already got one. And we're going to create a sketch from the top bottom plane. So let's go create sketch, top bottom plane. I'm going to move it down as I'm actually just a touch. There we go. We're going to create a center diameter circle from the origin. And we're going to have a 100 millimeter diameter. Hit enter. So this is our base circle on the basis of our design. It will also create the center point that we're going to do our circular pattern from. The center of the circle will serve as the center point for our pattern. Okay, let's go ahead and draw the object that we want to pattern. So we're going to create a rectangle and a 3-point rectangle again. I'm going to come down here, right about in this range. Click, and I'm going to go diagonally through that. I'm going to make it 12 millimeters. I'm going through the grid point here, that intersection. Click. Now I'm going to come up another 12 and hit enter. Okay, so let's square it up by creating a, because I think that might be off just a hair. No, it can't be, but we're going to do it just in case somebody missed. We're going to create a vertical relationship between this point and this point. I'm going to undo that and do that again. I activated the vertical or horizontal vertical constraint, clicked on the lower point of the diamond and the upper point of the diamond. All right, and I got an error. The constraint's already been applied. Okay, well, I'm going to escape out of the tool. I'm going to drag my measurements, kind of get them out of the way. The next thing I want to do is position the top point of the diamond to the circle, which is actually going to be from the center point. So I'm going to go to my sketch dimension tool. I'm going to select the top point, my diamond. I'm going to select this circle. And as I drag it out, notice my measurement is from the center point, the radius essentially, to the top point of the diamond. I want that to be 45 millimeters. So I click again to open up my dimension box, 45 millimeters, and enter. Now it is positioned. All right, we are ready to do our pattern. Let's escape out of the dimension tool. Let's go create circular pattern. The object we want to pattern is our diamond. I've got my four sides selected, and the center point that I'm going to pattern is going to be the center of the circle. All right, and I want 8 diamond shapes in my pattern, 8. And that looks pretty good. I'm going to click OK. All right, I have noticed how they keep the relationship to the circle as it goes around. The point is aimed at the outer edge of the circle. All right, let's finish sketch. Let's extrude. Now we could extrude it all and then extrude just the shapes, or we can just extrude this point with with holes cut into it. Let's go 2 millimeters. Click OK. And there is our circular pattern. Nice short video. We are done with that tool. That's just a demonstration of how it works. We'll use it quite a bit later in class.